I want to say that as far as Dabolim is concerned, we are always first in development. आम्ही केन्ना फाटी उरना खंयचे बाबतींत. आता हे काम एक्चुअली म्युन्सिपालिटीचे कित्याक हिंगा म्युन्सिपल वर्कर रावता पूण म्युन्सिपालिटी कांय काम करना आनी हांव मुद्दम रिकॉर्डार येवपाक सोदतां. आमचो जो CEO आसा थिंगा मोस्ट इनएफिशियंट एंड इनकम्पिटंट तो कांयच काम करना. आता रेग्युलरायज करपाक हांवें बोर्ड मेंबर हाडून हिंगा दवरलेले म्हणजे आमचे ऑनरेबल चेअरमॅन and honorable MLA of Mandre, Mr. Jeet Arolkar came with all his board members, all his MD and all officials. They agreed just send a request from the municipality to regularize whatever that can be regularized. Even this he has not been doing. He has certain reservations. Then he is unfit to be there in that chair as chief officer. And I would request Honorable Chief Minister to remove him immediately because one thing is not to do a thing, but propagating it cannot be done behind our back after agreeing. It's like making a mockery of the system. I will not allow such a thing to happen. And as mandated, as has been promised to the people here, these houses ultimately have to be regularized. The housing board is inclined to do this work, and housing board and सांगला आम्ही करून दितले. बाबजीत आरोलकर सांगता हे जावपाकूच जाय आम्ही करून घेया. सो हांव ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर एक मिटींग आपय हे सॉर्ट आउट करपाक लायतलो पूण तो आसचे पसून हें जावपाना. सो एक बरो कॉम्पिटंट ऑफिसर आमी थिंगा हाडटले. असले ऑफिसर आसल्यार म्हाका दिसता खंयचेच काम जावपाना कित्याक हे भाशेन केलें जाल्यार सगळें पेंडींग उरतलें मागीर कितें फायदो. सो ताका लागून आमची कामां मातशें फास्ट करप आसता. कोणा पळय ती पद्दत घोस्ता येना वा तें कामूच करपाक सोदना तेणी घरा बसपाचें.